Last ball possession. 26-25 in favor of Julie. 1 minute and 27 seconds. Ball to Dilumin. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 4. Too strong.
Uli! Yan! Taula! Taula!
1 minute and 18. From run number 81. Number 14, Guaniso, pushing foul. Second personal foul and third team foul. 1 minute and 15 seconds. 26-25.